Well, after all the record-breaking rainfall of the last month or so and recent heavy showers, we're now in the situation where we're quite concerned about the potential for rather more widespread heavy rainfall to affect some parts of the UK over the next few days. You can see on the satellite and radar image behind me here some of the players coming in to affect us. Today it's a more straightforward showery picture. Already there are some heavy showers in northern parts of England, Northern Ireland, and a few developing close to the southeast. But it's an area developing on the near continent here from high temperatures today, more particularly, and also an area down in the southwest here we're looking at in particular detail. You can see for the developments on the screen on the right here, the situation by 9 o'clock tomorrow morning, and an area of low pressure developing from the area on the continent moves westwards in very, very close to East Anglia, and it's the evolution of this moving westwards and then southwestwards over southern parts of the UK that's leading to such prolonged and heavy rainfall. There is a little bit of doubt as to how far the exact track and how far south the really heavy rain gets. But we've already got warnings in force for this. There's been a strong signal over the last few days. So it's getting the detail further from that we'll be focusing on over the next day or so. Amounts of rain in this area are likely to be 25 to 50 millimetres, quite widely, with a possibility of some heavier rates in places and some thunder embedded in that as well. It's really quite unpleasant, the weather coming up through here. Areas to the south of this, it's basically showery, and through tomorrow, as the area moves westwards and then southwestwards, we get an increasing risk of the heavy rainfall coming into parts of the southwest of England. At the same time, the more organised rain tending to move northwards into northeast England and eastern Scotland, perhaps not quite as heavy at this stage as further south, but further pulses of heavy rain coming westwards are likely to lead to a high risk of disruptive rain up in parts of northeast England, for example, and even eastern Scotland. At the same time, some clearer conditions getting back into the southeast, with some clear or sunny spells, but then the risk of showers developing through Saturday as we get the temperatures rising. So, to summarise, some uncertainty over areas most affected by heavy rain, but there is a high risk of disruptive rain over parts of central England, affecting not only transport, but also leading to local flooding issues and also disrupting sport.